Good evening, everyone. Today we will discuss about the derive an expression for electric field intensity due to an electric dipole in axial position at a point. Okay, please draw a dipole. Hmm, These are 2 points A and B minus Q point charge placed at point A and plus Q charge at point B. The distance between both equal charges, equal and opposite charge 2L. We should consider the length of dipole in every time 2L. So we can say the distance between A to middle point O, L, and the distance between O to B, L. So total the length of dipole, that is 2L. Let uh, in axial position there is a point P. Distance from the middle point O, that is R. We will assume that. Okay. Now the distance between B and P will be R minus L. Look at here. The distance between O to point P, that is R, and the length of O point O to B, L. So we can say the distance between point B to point P, that is R minus L. Similarly, the distance between A charge point Q between A and P, that is R, that will be R plus L. You can see here the distance between O and P, that is R, and L is more. So we can say the distance between A to point P, that is R plus L. Okay, now we will find out the intensity of electric field. Electric field E is equal to force upon Q0. You can also write F is equal to Q0 vector E, where Q0 a testing charge, where Q0 is a testing charge. Okay, suppose at the point P there is a plus Q charge. According to Coulomb's law, we know that the force between two charges is proportional to the magnitude of charges. The force between two charges F is proportional to the product of the magnitude of charges and inversely proportional to the distance between them. In last short video I have explained, or you can say we know that from according to Coulomb's law the force will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q q0 upon r square. Put this value in the equation 1. We get vector E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q0 upon r square. q0 already exists, so we find out intensity of electric field E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon r square. This should be r minus L. We consider for this r minus L का square. Suppose that the intensity of electric field due to charge at the point B, that is plus Q. Suppose that the intensity of electric field due to charge at the point B, that is plus Q, is E1. So E1 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 K Q upon R minus L square whole square, where K is a dielectric constant of the medium, where K is a dielectric constant of the medium, right? Similarly, we will assume the electric intensity of electric field due to charge minus Q at the point P is E2. E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 K charge minus Q upon R plus L whole square. Now, on combining the resultant electric field intensity will be E is equal to E1 plus E2 from equation 2 and 3. Put the value of E1 from equation 2 and the value of E2 from equation 3. We get E is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 K whole square of R minus L plus minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 K R plus L whole square. This will be 4 pi epsilon 0 K R minus L square plus minus 4 pi epsilon 0 K R plus whole square of the R plus L. Now we can take the common from both of the term Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 K. One upon R minus L minus whole square of R plus L. Now we will solve. E is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 K look, this denominator whole square of R plus L, we will multiply this from the numerator and denominator from this side, and we will multiply this whole square of R minus L in both numerator and denominator. We will get R plus L whole square of R plus L whole square of R minus L whole square of R plus L R minus L R minus L R plus L square. Okay, look, both denominator are same, so we can put 4 pi epsilon 0 K R minus L square R plus L whole square R plus L whole square of R minus L. Now consider formula of A plus B whole square, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square and whole square of A minus B A square minus 2AB plus B square. We get Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 K the value of A is equal to R, put the value of B is equal to L, we get R square plus 2RL plus L square minus R square minus 2RL plus L square. Look this denominator, we can write like this, okay, because we know that xm ym, we can write xy power of m q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 k r minus l in the bracket 2 whole square. Please solve this bracket. We get r square plus 2rl plus l square. This is plus, this is this is minus, this is plus, plus minus minus r square minus minus will be plus 2rl plus minus minus l square. This is r square plus this is minus, both will cancel to each other. L square plus L square and minus L square will cancel each other. So we get q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 k 2rl plus 2rl, that is 4rl, or in the denominator, look here, in one bracket r minus l, another bracket r plus l. Remember this formula we have learned in class 9th, 8th. A minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Put here r square minus l square whole square. Okay, we get q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 k 4 rl upon r square minus l square square. Now the value of l square is lesser than r square, so we can neglect the value of r square. Okay, I will show example for you how we can neglect the value of r square. Look, this is another exercise. Please you can square any number more than 1. 4 square is equal to 16, 6 square is equal to 36, 7 square is equal to 49, 4 cube is equal to 64, 5 cube is equal to 125. Look, when we increase the power of any number, its value increased. Look, the difference between 4 and 16, 636, 749. But when the value of which we increase its power, if its value is lesser than 1, 0.2 square, 0.3 square, 0.5 square. Okay, 0.2 multiplied by 0.2 is equal to 4. Look this value and this value. 0.3 multiply by 0.3, 0.09, 0.5, 0.5, 0.25. Look this value. Suppose we increase the power of 2.2, 3, we get 0.2 multiply by 0.2 multiply by 0.2 is equal to 8. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. This exercise explains us if the value is less than 1, because the electric dipole equal and opposite charge placed at a small distance, very small, lesser than 1. As you consider any unit, 1 centimeter, 1 meter is lesser than 1. Look here, we consider this length, but actually this length, this distance is looking more, because we can explain, but it's actually electric dipole distance is very small between two charges, very small. So a small quantity power is very power's value is very less, so we can neglect the value of L square. You can write L square is equal to 0. We can give any number, 1 2 3 4. Equation 4, put the value of L square is equal to 0. Please don't put the value of L is equal to 0, otherwise total electric field intensity will be 0. Understand? L square, value of L square can be 0, but L square cannot be 0. Okay, we get Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 K 4 RL upon R square minus 0 square E Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 K 4 RL upon power 4, because x to the power m power n is equal to x to the power m n, and multiply 2 to the 4. E is equal to, please cancel this R, get Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 K 4 L upon RQ. Now P is equal to torque of electric dipole. P is equal to length of dipole, that is 2L, multiply by 1 charge, 2LQ. Put here E is equal to 2 into 2, we can write 4 in the form of 2 into LQ upon 4 pi epsilon 0 K RQ. Please don't cancel this 4 and this 4. Remember, in the starting 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 k will be exist in the last as a proportionally constant. So don't uh, don't try to vanish this 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 k. Okay, now we get E is equal to 2p upon 4 pi epsilon 0 k r cube. We can write as we pronunciate properly 1 of electric field E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 k 2p upon r cube. This is desired derivation. Okay.